quite innovative and something that I think is going to take the industry by storm, and not just the fashion industry. I think being able to support something that has innovation and technology at the core of it is extremely important and pertinent. It's an extremely critical issue. No one can deny the effects of climate change. It's the hottest topic everyone's talking about.
There's something very interesting which I'm wearing, and I'm very fascinated by it. This is done by Limelight CVD Diamonds, which are lab-grown diamonds, and I think they're doing a fantastic job producing good quality diamonds, absolutely natural in physical and chemical composition. Another thing I wanted to say, that since it's almost giving you type 2A quality of diamonds, which were originally found in the Golconda mines in India, and the first use of diamonds in jewelry was done in Vijayanagar Empire in India. So we should be having a very, very proud heritage of Indian jewelry and the use of diamonds in jewelry, which started from India. Since the belt is the same, which used to produce type 2A quality of diamonds, like what I'm wearing, this is an old Golconda diamond. Again, it would be the same quality as type 2A diamonds. And I must say that something which has been lab grown is also giving you the same quality what you used to find in Golconda mines, which of course is absolutely with natural, same chemical and physical composition. And it's happening in India, and they're doing a wonderful job.
I think our generation has done a lot of harm to the environment, and I actually take responsibility for my generation who did the harm. But the new generation doesn't want to do it. They don't. They want to live a life where they want to live in unity with the environment. So I think what Limelight has come out with is such a fantastic innovation that it satisfies all the values that the new generation has.
And I think one of the most important issues to me, why I like supporting why I do support Limelight and CVD Diamonds, is human rights issues which usually come with mining. I think our generation, and not just millennials, but everyone now questions where and how have you sourced and bought anything you're wearing on you. And I'm so proud to say that I'm wearing Limelight, which I can actually tell exactly where it comes from, where it's been sourced and how it's been sourced. Working with a brand that espouses transparency and craftsmanship, there's nothing better that I can ask.
And at the same time, of course, if you see, the designs are very minimal, and being a young custodian, I feel like it's really important. Like I don't really choose to wear really heavy, chunky jewelry. I like the minimal work. I like the, focus in design, and I also just like it to be super clean and light on my body. So this is something that I would definitely invest in, and I hope that all of you all also think the same.
And diamonds, well, are girls' best friend, and I think we're in the age where girls are buying their own diamonds, and nothing like a diamond which shines as brilliantly as young independent women's personalities.
going to love this. The only change maker being that these diamonds are grown in a lab and not found in mines, hence are conflict-free and sustainable to the earth, saving water and land extraction. May I please call upon stage to accept the honor Miss Pooja Sheth, Managing Director, Limelight Lab Grown Diamonds Limited.